Hello, squad. How are you today? I'm wonderful, as you can tell. Before we get started, guys, I hope this video finds you in good spirits. Um, it is New Year's Eve right now as I'm recording this. I mean, who decides to record a video on New Year's Eve? This guy right here. Okay, so I really wanted to get this out and over and posted because tomorrow I'm not putting on makeup, and I don't know, when you review a unit or something, I feel like you should have something on your face. I'm not saying you have to go full out like this, but you should have something, and I'm not gonna feel like it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna feel like it tomorrow. Okay, so you're probably wondering what's going on. This is my third attempt on a hairstyle for this pony I'm trying to review for you guys. I got up late this morning. I thought I could film something really quick on the install. Epic fail. So then I come home and I'm like, okay, I'll get on here and do a different look. Obviously, epic fail. So this is my third attempt. I'm hoping this will be it. I mean, this has to be it. It just has to be it. Like, I'm just really frustrated, and my poor hair, it was so moisturized and conditioned because I had wash day today. So I feel like my hair, like last time, is probably mad at me because I'm just taking it through so many things right now. So for this third attempt, I'm going to attempt to do a side swept bang, since the different braids and twist outs I have planned they're just not in the cards today. So we're gonna see how this goes. Usually side swept bangs don't go well either, but maybe since I failed at everything else, my hair might help me see the side bangs through. So guys, let's hope so. So I did section my hair. What I did notice, that's such a big piece. Like if you do a high ponytail, it's hard to do a side swept bang. Well, at least for me it is. So by putting it into sections, I think that'll help.
When I pull up on her to that baby, I'm too good with these words, watching backtrack. If I die, all I know is I'm a mother legend. It's too late for my city, I'm the youngest. Reppin', oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.
Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to go with. I think it came out pretty decent. If I had the time, I would put on a scarf and, really lay it down flat, but we're just going to go with this for right now. So the ponytail I am reviewing, it is Freetress Equal Drawstring Ponytail style, long straight yaki. Is 38 inches. Yes, it's all the way down past your butt. I got her in the color OT 613. She only comes in 5 colors. I like the color, but I feel that because of the color, she's not as thick. Like if you can see on the model there, it looks pretty thick in the back. And then that's how it looks on the front of her. Okay, so here's what I have. Like, I love the 613. Oh my gosh. I just combed her, guys, and she's getting tangled again. So she does tangle, and she definitely sheds. Okay. I wore her all day to work, so I worked, how long did I have her in my head? From 9...
7.
So I had her in for about 10 hours. Okay.
10 hours.
And like, I just don't feel like she's as thick. I don't know, maybe she is, but when I first got her out, she didn't seem as thick. She just eagerly, she just eagerly, oh my God, she easily tangles on herself. Like, I don't know if it's the color that's causing that or what, but she just, yeah. So I would not say she is an everyday ponytail. Like the last one I reviewed, I wore her 3 or 4 days straight. I can't remember. But this one is just, for that one-time event you have going on, or if you want to wear her to work or something, wear her one day and definitely change her out with a different ponytail, because to me she feels more like a Yaki. She's supposed to be Yaki, but she feels like really straight to me. Really straight. Oh my gosh, guys. She is a Yaki, but she feels really silky to me. There you go. Goodness. Yeah, this looks much better than the style I had earlier today. Earlier, I actually had... Oh, I did have a scarf in here. I had a scarf tied around this part because of the epic fail I was experiencing. This is all her to the front. Like I said, I do love the color on her. I don't know. I just thought it was going to be yakkier. Like, I just expected... I wanted more of the fullness and more kind of just a bigger volume look, And she is shiny in the light. But yeah, this does not feel... There might be like a slight Yaki to her, but if you're saying Yaki, I expect Yaki, not a light Yaki. I want my Yaki. I want my Yaki. Yeah, but see, look, she's just like tangling. So if you do get her, I don't know if this pertains to all the colors, but if you do like this blonde color here, I would suggest doing the half fabric softener, half water mixture, and maybe that will tame kind of like the static electricity tangling thing she's got going on. But yeah, she does shed as you comb through her, because you will, like, she's not, what am I trying to say? She tangles and is not in a pretty way. I didn't feel like when I walked past the mirror, I was like, oh. I did not walk past the mirror walking past the mirror, ooh, damn, I'm fine. No, I did not feel like that. I walked past the mirror like, ooh, you are not fine. that is not fine. That is not cute. Alright, so what I was planning on doing, I was going to make this into a braid, but what I'm going to do is just keep it. This is an old wig. This is actually a Friday night hair wig that I got that I never wore again because I didn't like it. Just something about it just did not look right on me. I don't know. So, what I'm going to do is just comb it out. See, it got all frizzy and tangled, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it for the price. I was like, no.
I'm on first, I'm on tour. Got a girl, she from the start. Used to work, used to dance in Texas. Now she clean the house every day. I was struggling to learn what life's about. On my way.
Voila, you can do that. So if you have an old unit or old ponytail or old just whatever, do like I did, gather it up. You saw what I did. You can do that, and then you can get this right here. Of course, you can also use the ponytail cuffs. You can use bracelets. I've done bracelets before, but you can do anything you want to kind of decorate this area. So that is an option, guys. I'm going to try to stand up so you guys can see. I mean, she is long, guys. All right, guys, let me hop off of here. And
have game night.
And we're going to Actually, I'm going to record another video, and then after that, we're going to bring in the new year. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching whatever this is, whatever this was. I concocted to get this to, you know, I think a pretty decent look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, bye.